Hello and welcome to another update video about Tesla. It's been a while since we've covered Tesla the last time. It's included in our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link for that in the description. We update it there very regularly. But let's review the chart and take a look. And where are we at the moment? So in recent months, Tesla has really, in fantastic ways, respected our parameters of this structure that we've been talking about. The chart really hasn't changed in months. So it's going really well. The idea is that, so obviously we had different areas on the chart outlined in recent weeks, months. So we had this as a short area. We had a long, let's say a trading area here, another trading area up here. Then we had a small one here. I did take them off, if they don't get, if they lose relevance. The last one was down here, which caused a reaction in the price. And the latest one was this resistance area. I think we talked about that already in the last video, and it was well known, and the price now respected it as well. And we're now coming down, and I've got two support areas for you. But first of all, let's start here on the left-hand side. There are two scenarios I'm watching. There is one in which is the white scenario. It's the more aggressively bullish scenario in which we had a wave 1, a wave 2, another one, a wave 2. And we could have struck a low in October, and we're now moving in wave 3. The thing is, in this scenario now, in the white count, very aggressive. So generally, I'm very bullish on Tesla on the chart. The only question I have is how deep is the retracement going to be? So it's an opportunity. Now, of the October low, we have potential five waves up. It's not very clear. The last bit messed it up a bit. So I've got a potential wave, or 5-wave move, wave 1 of a larger degree, third wave. And the pullback is now happening. And there is a pullback zone in which we should see a reversal in this signal, in this setup, or in this count, basically. The move down currently could be just an A wave. I would like to see a B wave bounce maybe next week, together with the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. And then ideally, depending on the nature of the next move up, if we get a corrective rally, we should get a C wave down. And I don't want the price to get below $207.50 in this scenario, because this would break it basically eventually. Yeah, it's not a make or break point, but we know that below the 78.6 retrace, a much deeper pullback is likely going to occur, and we will likely see invalidation of this white count. The invalidation point itself is at around $194.20. So this is one scenario. This is the more aggressive bullish one. There is one that is also bullish, but because we are in a larger degree fifth wave, we have an ABC structure here in wave 1 in yellow. The move down is a more extended pullback, A, B, C. And I've got a support area down there around $176 is the first main support, down to 129, even though I don't think it will necessarily come down that much. And then as soon as we find support there, a third wave rally should unfold. The question is the third wave rally already unfolding right now? And we're just already in the 1-2 setup of that third wave in the white count, which is more directly bullish? Or do we get a deeper pullback in wave C of 2? And if I'm measuring the length of wave A in yellow, go to the high of the B, then it gives us a potential, additional target level for wave C, and that's $171. So it doesn't need to go down all the way to the lower boundary line of the support area, but that's sort of a key level to watch. Well, nobody knows where exactly the price will find support, but we have definitely a range of levels here to watch for potential reactions. I'm leaning towards the yellow count, okay, but again, this is a range going all the way down to $129.17. So I think all of this could be accumulation area, okay? Obviously, you need to be wise with your position sizing. If you scale into the decline, it's a bit like catching the falling knife at the moment, but the levels, you can manage your risk and measure your risk. But yeah, I will certainly use the current pullback to accumulate a bit of Tesla stocks, and I'm watching for reactions either here at 226, 218, 207, or below that. I mean, there is support, as I said, the invalidation point It will likely give us some support at 194, but then this is also a larger support area starting at $176. So all of this is a bullish structure. We're currently just dealing with a larger pullback in an overall uptrend. So a pretty bullish outlook, I think, on Tesla. I think the next few, probably weeks will clarify which scenario it is. I'm leaning towards yellow, but if we see a first impulse in this orange box and there is likely going to be some kind of a reaction, it might be wise to look for entries here, use a stop loss wisely, and if it resets lower, then this box will become relevant. That's my update about Tesla. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, check out our S&P 500 and stock service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.